We're putting down the new Pergo Portfolio, the so-called Pergo Waterproof flooring. Brand new for me. It looks like all the materials are much harder, much less like cardboard, but it makes it a little harder to put together. It also requires that you put the foam thing down first, which I hate, but you know, do what you gotta do. So one thing about this flooring is you have to put it in at an angle. Don't try to put it in straight. And so in order to do that, you need to lift up this row. So have something heavy down there. That tote has a bunch of heavy stuff in it. And what I do, I have an old paintbrush because it has rounded edges. I lift this up here. You want to be on this side, so you're putting weight on this. First you get the thing done here. So you tuck this side in. Okay, until it looks like it's there. Okay, then we need to lift this up to make it go in easy. And then we tap on it, start that in. Never tap twice in the same spot. Keep going up and down. And I think we're done with that piece. There we go. That's how you do it.